What we're doing next is the basic feet concept. These are not feet position or feet steps. Basic concept which you know about feet and which makes your dance clean, and when you take a class, when you use this terminology, children will understand better. So the first thing we do is, I'm going to remove my shoes to show you. Yeah, what we do is, this is Demi Point. So all the toes, the weight on the toes is Demi Point. When you put no weight on the toes and only your toe is tapping or touching, it's called point. So Demi Point, I hope you can see that, and point. So what is the difference? The difference is in the weight shift. So what? You know, when we do flick ball change, I'll tell you what we do. When we do flick ball change, we do flick ball change. So we give correction, don't shift your weight, shift on the right leg, this leg stretching out, this is on the point. So when you talk such language when teaching, children start understanding faster. So you need to know Demi Point, you need to know point, you need to know weight shift. What is weight shift? Where is your weight? You tell children, where is your weight? Your weight is in center. So even if you lift this leg, you will not fall. Now when you go Demi Point, where is your weight? You say your weight is distributed little bit more on this, less on this. Yeah, then you say, where is your weight? Center. So teach children what is shift of weight, complete shift of weight, partial shift of weight, no shift of weight. So when you give correction in your steps, you can use the right terminology. One more thing is supporting leg and working leg. Supporting leg and performing leg. So this is supporting leg and this is a performing leg. Supporting leg, performing leg. Supporting leg, performing leg. So you can say children, okay, your performing leg, extend, your performing leg extend. So saying the leg to the right, the leg to the left, this one, that one. Start using dance terminology to teach and make your children aware of all these: supporting leg, working leg, performing leg, Demi Point, point, weight shift. These are something which every dancer and student must know.